James here, and today we're taking a look at this little sound machine from Babelio. That's right, it's a little sound machine. Now this does do 15 non-looping sounds, which is actually quite cool. It does come with this charging cable, USB to USB-C charging cable. Now you can leave this plugged in, use it separately, or connect it to a power bank. Now the cool thing is it's so small, it's easily accessible to take on a trip, motel rooms, so on, even the babies in the car seats if you need that. Now, like I said, it's mini, so first and foremost, right here it is. Now it does have this nice rubberized little hand strap that you can use it as a hand strap or hang it on something with that. It's a wood grain cover. There's your speaker on top, and on bottom you'll be greeted with the rubber pad and all of the buttons that you need, including power, volume up and down, and song adjustments. Now to do that, you'll do different things like holding it down or tap and tap. Now on the side, you'll have your USB-C port right there to charge it up with this. That's actually really cool, and I kind of like that, guys, with this. This is less than 2 inches by 2 inches, guys. Really, it's 1.5 inches by about 2 inches round. That's super small. Now you have multiple sounds like fans, white noise, water, you have campfires, birds, lullabies, and waves with this, guys. So that's actually very, very nice. Now you do have a sleep timer from 30 minutes to 60 minutes. You'll actually be indications of that when it's like white or blue light indication. Now if I turn this on, I'm going to power it up. Right here you guys will see that it is green and the sound has just already started playing. If I do the volume up, of course, guys, let's do the volume up. It's quite loud. Listen to that. Of course, that is the water. If I drop the sounds back down, if I double tap, now we have another sound. Multiple sounds, guys, which is kind of cool. There's your fan. Another fan. Another fan. More rain, and that's waves. And more waves. Fire. Another fire. Multiple sounds. I love the sounds of this. There's your crickets. And now, like I said, guys, to indicate the timer, you will literally just set it up. It'll change colors and you're good to go. To turn it off, you will literally hold the power button down, and it now will power off. That simple, that easy, guys. Very cool little white noise machine from Babelio. If you guys need, very cool one. I want to thank you for watching. Hope you guys have a great one.